Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is the start of my VLOGMAS Kenmas. I actually don't even know what I'm going to call this, to be honest. I did ask you guys in a poll whether you guys wanted me to do VLOGMAS on this channel, Kenmas, whatever, on this channel or on the other channel, and a lot of you guys said you wanted the vlogs to be on here, so guys are getting what you wanted. And yeah, so it's the 1st of December. I've just finished work. As you guys can tell, I've just like had a shower and like my hair's just all wet. Ouch. Got one of these, just kind of like holding it back, and this is pretty much how I wear my hair to work these days, just kind of like pulled back, just out of my face, because my fringe goes like up to there and it's just, it gets in the way. Anyway, I am just going to reheat some food for dinner. A noodle dish. It's a Filipino noodle dish. It's called pancit canton. I used one of those pancit canton mixes, and yeah, just cooked a big batch and just frozen bits. So I'm just gonna whack this in the microwave. It's probably gonna take ages to sort of like defrost. As you guys can see, it's still quite frozen. So I basically use pork mince, and then I just used frozen vegetables and Hokkien noodles, and then whatever kind of noodles I still had in the cupboard I just used as well. So yeah, I'm not going to use this because you can't heat with this top apparently, so I'm just going to grab some cling film. So the brand of cling film or cling wrap I use is this one from Greener. It says degradable and BPA free. Yeah, I just really like the fact that it says it's degradable, which is really good because, you know, plastic and whatnot. So I'm just going to use that to wrap it on top, then whack it in the microwave again, probably for maybe 8-10 minutes, and dinner should be served. Okay, so while that cooks, I am going to just pretty much talk to you guys. I don't really know where this is going to go. I honestly do not feel as festive this year as I normally would around this time. Like, I normally start playing All I Want for Christmas in September, but I don't know, maybe it's because of this year and everything. I just don't feel as festive, and you know, you don't really see as many decorations out and about as well, so that's probably also why I'm not feeling it. I'll probably feel the festive season closer to the 25th, but we'll see how things go. So things I plan on showing you guys in these vlogs is maybe a bit of the advent calendar, because I did get one from L'Occitane, I think that's how you pronounce it, and just basically show you guys any PR mail that I get. And I've also been invited to a couple of restaurant openings, well, not openings, I've also been invited to a couple of restaurants to try out their food, so I might take you guys along with me as well. Normally I kind of reserve those sort of like things for my other channel, which is basically a food, lifestyle, travel recommendations type channel, but I don't know, I'll figure out how to make it work. But yeah, if you guys haven't checked out that channel yet, you guys are going to have a bit of a taste of how I do things on that channel in these vlogs. Okay, so we've had dinner, and that pancit was so good. Pancit canton is one of my favorite Filipino noodle dishes, essentially. It's amazing. So if you guys are wondering, the mix that I use for it is this one by Mamacita. I don't know how to really cook a lot of things from scratch, so I always use sort of like pre-made packets and sauces and stuff like that. The only thing that I know how to make from scratch is adobo. So yeah, if you guys want me to like show you guys how I make adobo without every single ingredient, let me know and I'll do a video for you guys. Anyway, so I got myself I got myself and my partner a present, like an early Christmas present, because they were having sales from Black Friday. Got pillows. You know, you're getting old when you want household items instead of like, I don't know, like other fun things. I don't know. I've got everything that's fun already. I mean, my partner got me this amazing mic, which I have used in a couple of videos. It's the HyperX Quadcast. It's really good. Like, I've been using it for like voiceover stuff. So the pillows I got were these. So the pillows that we're currently using, I think we've got like 6. They're old, like they're really, really old. Like the pillows I've got are from when I first moved to Australia. So they're like, what, 2012? 8 years old. And my partner's pillows, I don't think he even knows how old some of his pillows are. Alright, so these are the pillows that I got. So I think it's from a brand called Tontine. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I've got like these, I think they're like firm pillows. So this is a 2-pack. And then I've got another set. This one is called the Good Night pillow. So this one's like medium firmness, so this one's a little bit softer. I think this is the same brand I have for some of the pillows that I have in the bedroom. But yeah, I thought we'd grab them because they were on sale, and the pillows that we have just have no support. Like literally I would smush like 3 pillows underneath, and I'd wake up like with a little bit of a stiff neck, and my partner does too, just because the pillows, they're just gone. But yeah, I mean, these pillows actually say when you have to replace them, but still, yeah, I've held on to the pillows for way too long. Hey guys, it is the 2nd of December and I got this package from my Filmora fam. So cute. Oh, so cute. It says merry and bright. Cannot wait to open this up. But I'm also going to open it up on Instagram stories. Ah, so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is what was inside. Oh, sorry, my little lanyard's like dangling away. So we've got one of these, I think they're called like the Christmas popper things. I forgot what they're called. So bad at this. We've got some chocolate. Oh, thank you. I've actually been craving some, so thank you so much. Then we've got some Filmora styling, super light spray. By the way, I do have a discount code if you guys are interested. If you guys live in Australia, want to purchase stuff from Filmora Australia, discount code down in the description box down below. We've got a little Moscato rosé. Ooh, fancy. Got some candy cane. We've got some glitter. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using that because I've got a couple of looks I want to use that for. Then we've got a coconut and vanilla oil-free sugar scrub. Ooh, thank you. Then we have got the Evelina, I think that's called, hair pins. I cannot wait to use this because I always just use the same sort of like clips and pins, so thank you. And then we've got the Tangle Tonic by Glamour, I think it's called, which is good because I've recently been experiencing a lot of tangles in my hair and my normal comb seems to kind of like break my hair. So yeah, thank you so much. I've been actually looking at getting one of these actually. Then we've got some Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Foam, which I actually might use just because I'm getting quite pale and it is nice and warm out there. Then we've got some Model Rock products. Thank you so much to my Filmora Australia family for sending this over. You guys are so sweet. Hey guys, it is the 4th, I believe, yes, the 4th of December, and it is date night for my partner and I. So I've just finished work and he's just picked me up and we're now on our way to this restaurant called Tuan Brassier, I think it's called. It's a Chinese restaurant in the city. Well, not in the city, it's in Carlton, so just outside the CBD area. I got invited by Pia. I'm so excited. I had a look at their food. It had like Macanese, like Macau, so like inspired food, and from what I can tell, maybe Cantonese food. But yeah, I'm really excited. I had a look at their menu. It all looks really good and it's a nice day still. I mean, like technically it's evening now because it's 6, but as you guys can see, it's like super bright out. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys the food, and this is pretty much what I normally do. Very bright. This is what I pretty much normally do on my other channel. Again, if you guys want to see sort of like the travel lifestyle side of my content, definitely check it out. I'll link it down in the description box down below and also on the screen. Christmas Day. So bright, hopefully you guys can see me. I have just popped on a little bit of makeup, so just some brows, some mascara, maybe a bit of concealer. Yeah, actually, yeah, I did put some concealer. We're almost at the restaurant, but we need to fuel up, so we'll fuel up, then go to the restaurant because we're still pretty early actually. It's only like 6:30. The booking is at 7:30, and yeah, that's the makeup. I'm wearing the BYS Barbie collection eyebrow pencil. It's actually really nice. I'm actually really enjoying that. And then I've got the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Oh, thanks, lighting. Just yeah, I don't know, I've been going to events or food events lately without any makeup and I've been taking photos and I feel like I have no eyes, or my brows aren't as defined, and I feel like I look weird, so I'm just gonna put some makeup on just to little semblance of normality. Okay, we found a car spot in this parking lot. It's quite empty actually, which is pretty handy. And yeah, let's go to Tuan Brassier. at their menu, guys. It's so extra. It even has like this. It makes me feel like it's like traditional Asian like manuscript or something. It's so cool. Here's a little information about the place. Okay, so they have this little menu system. It really reminds me of like ordering stuff back in Asia, in Hong Kong. So it gives you like instructions, write your table number, order your food and stuff, and then you just write down the item number and then the quantity, any remarks, anything like that. Look guys, they have this really cute dessert menu. Apparently it's only limited edition, like for the day. So teddy bear Thai milk tea. Actually, I might get that because it's cute. I really love the aesthetic of this place, guys. It really reminds me of being back in Hong Kong. Like my partner's right next to me and we're both discussing how it just reminds me of a couple of places that we visited in Hong Kong, like Kowloon. Like obviously this place is like very modern and everything, but it still throws like a bit of a throwback to those places in Hong Kong, and I really like it. Also they gave me like the house wine. It's actually pretty good. My partner says it's like an Aussie wine. Not sure what it is, but it's really good. And my partner's got an Ovaltine. Is Ovaltine an Aussie thing? Or like, did you guys have, like, is it actually something available here in Australia? It's just Milo's more popular, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so gave us an Ovaltine, a cold one. I've ordered that teddy bear one because it looks so cool. But anyway, that's for my partner. Other things they gave us here on the table, we've got like cutlery obviously, cups for water, some plates if we want to like have our own individual plates. Let's be real, I'm going to be eating off my plate and so is my partner, and vice versa. And then we've also got a jug of water, and they also gave us some hand sanitizer, which I really appreciate. Honestly guys, when the food arrived, oh my gosh, we kind of like lost a little bit of control. Anyway, so this first batch here is the pork snow bun, basically very similar to char siu bao, but I would describe it as like a fried char siu bao. Amazing. So I had the Macau style Cajun chicken fillet on rice. Again, here's a little overshot of the snow bun, and then they also recommended we try out the custard one, the egg custard one, so I tried that one as well. And here's the teddy bear one. It was so cute. Oh my gosh, I was like, oh, I don't want to have this drink because he's so cute. Anyway, we've got some pork spring rolls as well. Okay, now on to the main course. Oh, so good. I dipped my fork in the sauce just to see how spicy it was. A decent amount of spice. My partner thinks it's way too spicy though. So this breast, I've just had a couple of bites of it. It's really good. It's really nice and moist, and the sauce, like this little like Cajun sauce, it's really nice and spicy, but not overly spicy to the point where it's like, I need a break. Like it's good. It's really good. Oh no, my little teddy bear is like sunken. Like his head's essentially underwater. Like you can't even see him anymore. Oh well. This thing also has a bit of corn and some bok choy. I don't ever, like when I was younger, when I was eating stuff like this in Hong Kong, I would never eat the bok choy, but I actually really like it now. Like, I feel like it actually balances things out. Yeah, I'm getting old. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, I was so excited when I saw this on the menu. This is the fried milk bread, essentially. Yeah, fried milk bread. You dip it in condensed milk and it's delicious. It's so delicious. Whew, guys, I'm so full. I don't normally overeat, but this was a special occasion that I actually overate. I think one, very nostalgic of Hong Kong, and two, just so good. Like the flavors are so good. I say that all the time when I go to food clubs, but this one was like next level. Highly recommend checking this place out. Hey guys, the next day of this vlog, and yeah, I actually started another Vlogmas episode, and like I've just wrapped it up actually, and I forgot to end this one. Anyway, hopefully I get the hang of this again and it will be a little bit more seamless with the flow and everything. But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll have a playlist down in the description box down below so you guys can watch all the other episodes in this Vlogmas series. If you guys haven't seen them yet, definitely check it out down in the description box down below. Again, if you guys want to check out my other channel, I'll link it down there as well. And that is pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.